Welcome. In front of me is a Nord CE2 Lite, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, scroll down to About Device, tap on Storage, and at the bottom you'll find your SD card. When you click on it, it will give you somewhere an option to format it. There we go, at the bottom, Format SD card. This will give you a quick message, and this will clear all data stored on the SD card. This action cannot be undone format anyway, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, do make a copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be lost permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, click on Format. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds. And there we go, it's already finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.